Hello lovers of bookies fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you some easy hairstyles you can try on your frontal. Don't let your wig be boring. Just come to my page and I'm going to show you inspiration for the day. So for this week, for today, I'm going to be doing 2 ponytails with braids crisscross. That's all I can say about this style, so I'm just going to let you see it for yourself. So I'm going to begin by sectioning my hair into 4 sections. One section is for my pigtail and the smaller section is for my braids, and I'm going to repeat the same process for the other side and we are done. So guys, now that we are done with this, we are going to get into our pigtails. First of all, we are going to apply our heat protectant to protect our hair from heat damage, because this hair comb is serving heat. So yeah, so after applying your heat protectant, you're going to use your hot comb to slick that hair back. Then, since this is a week I'm going to use at home, I didn't plan to let this style stay for a very long time. I just had to go with my holding spray. But in case you want in case you want your hairstyle to last longer, maybe for your glueless week, I'm going to recommend you use Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue is your best friend if you want long lasting styles. Gorilla Glue is your best friend. But for this style, I wasn't going to use it for long. I just wanted something to go for one occasion and I was done. So yeah. So guys, when I'm done with that, you're going to see me using the iron of my hot comb to slick the hair. And I just want to let you know that if you don't know how to properly use your hot comb, you're not going to achieve slick results. What hot combs your hair is not the comb, it's the iron. So when you send your comb, make sure you bend your hot comb so that the iron can help flatten the wig, because that's what is doing the work. So now that we're done with our pigtails, moving on, we will start with our braids. So since I wanted something crisscrossy, I'm going to start with the first braid and I'm just going to braid it down. I think the video is pretty straightforward and you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to slick it down with my hot comb so it can be smooth, and I'm going to use one additional office pin to pin down my lace, so when braiding it doesn't lift. So I'm going to begin braiding, and I'm sorry about the camera setting. I was supposed to adjust this but I didn't, so I'm going to cut that part out. And you're literally doing a braid, just literally following what I'm doing. So I'm going to move to the second and I'm going to speed this up because I know my beautiful besties got places to be. So here's what you're going to just follow and do. So after doing this, we are going to move on to the other side and we are going to repeat the same process. Guys, if you're not following this page, you're really missing out. I post amazing content, inspirational hairstyles and tutorials from start to finish every day, which can really help you to look good and stand out and make sure you don't wear boring wigs when going out. So please subscribe and turn on the notifications so you will be the first to be updated when I post videos. So when you're done with that, you're going to take the first braid and you're going to wrap around the second ponytail. Like, just follow what I'm doing in the video. You're going to take the first braid on the left side and you're going to wrap around the second ponytail on the right side, and you're going to take the first braid on the right side and wrap around the second ponytail on the left side, kind of making a crisscross. So if you're aiming for an easy hairstyle, one braid is enough, but I just wanted to because I love the look it was giving. So you're going to take the second braid and you're going to do the same thing. Basically, you're going to take your second braid and you're going to wrap around your second ponytail across your hair and you're going to wrap it around. So yeah, it might be messy, but don't bother, we're going to fix this when we're done. For now, we just want to secure our braids. You could secure it on your ponytail, or you could secure it on your hair and hold it down, maybe with a needle and a thread. That's also another option. So guys, I think next time when I'm doing this hairstyles, I'm going to give you many other options to try out, so that you will not be limited with exactly what I'm doing. You might want to spice it up or do something different and unique, which is completely okay. So I'm going to give you more inspirations on what you can do, and then I'm going to go with my own style, so you could go with your own style and still feel mentored on exactly what to do. So guys, after doing that, our hairstyle is pretty much done. It's secured, so we're just going to wrap it and secure it one last time. Make sure it's perfectly secured. So guys, we are done. And I think I forgot to record the part, but you're going to take a little strand of hair from one of your ponytails, and you're going to wrap around your band, so that you can hide your band and the braids you just wrapped around, and give it that perfect sleek look. So I don't think I recorded that part, but that's exactly what I did. I didn't leave it looking like this. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned. Okay, this is what I'm saying, and I didn't record it. Sorry about that. So guys, you can see visually what I was talking about. So you're going to take a strand of hair and you're just going to wrap around, so that you make it look more presentable. So guys, thanks very much for watching. Check out the part 2 on how I styled this hair from this to this, and make sure you like, you subscribe, and you turn on notification. Bye besties.